Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, once again I have another BOXYCHARM video for you guys, and as you guys can see, I am very excited about this one because truth be told, like the past 2 months I haven't been the happiest with what I've been getting in my BOXYCHARM box, but this particular box is bomb. So as you can see, I have the Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush sets, and this actually retails for $28. Now I can honestly say from the different like Luxie brush sets that I've gotten from the past BOXYCHARMs, they're very good. So then as you guys can see, also I have the Per the Complexion Authority Festival palette, and as you can see, it comes with a lot of very pretty colors, and this retails for $36. And then I'm basically just going to be dipping into that first orangish beigeish color, and I'm just going to be using the smaller flat brush that came with the 3-piece brush set, and I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. Next, I'm just going to be going into that nice like brownish burgundy-ish color that I'm pointing to right now, and I'm basically just going to be putting that all over my crease and kind of blending that into my transition shade. And like as you guys can see, it just blends in so beautifully. And then I'm also going to be dipping into that nice hot pink color, and I'm applying that to my lid. Now I already did cut my crease off camera because basically I just wanted to showcase the items that I got on this month's BOXYCHARM box. But if you guys want more details, definitely don't hesitate to comment down below, and I will definitely answer your questions as soon as possible. But yeah, so I'm just popping that color all over my lid. And honestly guys, that pink color is pigmented. But then I'm just going to be using the last and final brush that I got from their sets, and that's basically just the contouring brush, and I can definitely say that this brush is amazing. Like I'm definitely going to be using this as like my everyday like contour brush because it shapes my face so nice. It just looks so good. So I'm very happy overall with the brush set. So I'm basically just warming up my face and all that fun stuff. And as you guys can see, snatched. Well, at least to me anyways. But yeah, so I really like how my contour came out with that. And then basically I'm just going to be dipping back into those two colors again. And I'm basically just going to be applying that on my lower lash line. Next, I'm just going to be going into the Bodyography, something like that, eye pencil in the shade, I believe is Bali Bronze. And truth be told, I can't really do eyeliner to save my life on my bottom lash line, but that's okay. And then this is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and I got her in the shade Purple Dream, I believe. And just look at that highlight, guys. Like that is just, when I was applying it on my face, like that is just so therapeutic to me. Like it just looks so nice and glided on so pretty, and just I'm just like, honestly, the only product I wouldn't really use is probably the eye pencil, but everything else I'm definitely going to be using in my everyday makeup routine. It's just bomb.com. Like look at my face, like yes girl. Anyway, so then last but not least, I'm going to be using the Appeal Cosmetics Holographic Lip Gloss. And guys, it sucks that you guys really can't see it on camera, but it has a lot of pretty like different like glitter / sparkle colors that come with it, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, that's the only thing I put on my lips as well, and as you guys can see, everything just really just pulled together very nice. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my little talk through about the products I got from this month's box. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below for more makeup tutorials and all that fun stuff. And I will definitely see you guys in my next one.